Hey, what's going on? Judd Burden here with Asphalt Kingdom. Here's another AK quick tip getting dropped right here for you. One of the easiest ways to increase your business and drive more money is by increasing your conversion rate. How do we do that? Well, your proposals, for example, the line items in which you're marking your scopes of work can have tremendous impact on somebody looking at it and saying, this makes sense for me to invest into. So as an example, let's say that you were going to draft a proposal that had seal coating on it and it had crack repair and it had, let's say, concrete scarifying. For seal coating on that proposal, you could either choose to put seal coat and then the price. You could choose to put commercial seal coat and then the price. And then you could choose, let's say, industrial grade commercial contractor seal coat, tried and tested as an item. Don't you think that that would have more power-packed performance? That's stuff that people do want to see. Now, let's say that you worked off of something that was a fear relating to them about what they don't want to happen with their particular property. So let's get into crack filling. So on crack filling, you could choose to put crack sealing and then the price. You could put crack filling and then the price, or you could create crack sealing watertight to prevent asphalt deterioration. Do you see how much impact that has compared to just a general proposal with simple little line items? Or what about another line item like concrete scarifying? Or maybe changing it to trip hazard sidewalk grinding? Or something even more powerful, something like trip hazard liability mitigation. You see, make sure you go ahead and take a look at your quote and make sure that you're checking out the way that your proposal templates are working right now and try these different things. And I'd love to hear about how it's performing for you down in the comments. Never hesitate to ask questions or comment below. We really like to hear about the results from our clients, and that shares quick tips with other people watching our channel as well. Do you want to see more tips like this? And if you do, go ahead and click here and send in your video request.